Right then, welcome back to the channel and another overland vlog. So it's a bit unplanned today. As you can see, we are currently at the Motorist. They've got a 4x4 meet on today, so we've come, had a quick look round, quite a few Land Rovers, a few Ineos Grenadiers and things like that. Obviously we've turned up in the Touaregs and one of our customers there in the Cayenne. But as you can see, the weather's not ideal to be walking around and having a look at cars, so we've decided that we're going to do a few lanes while we're all together. So the plan is we're going to go up North Yorkshire, across the Moors. Ryan's done this route before in, well, quite a while ago. I'm not sure what car it was in, to be fair. I've never done it, so it should be quite interesting. The weather might make it a little bit more interesting as well, but we've got Ryan the V10, we've got Craig in his V6, obviously I'm in my Touareg, and like I said, Jordan's going to come along with us in his Cayenne, so it should make for a pretty good day. Stick with us and we'll see what footage we can get. So we've just got to the first proper lane. We've already done a little farm track, but as you can see, there's a sign up here from North Yorkshire Council, and basically that's saying from 30th of October 2023 to 30th of April 2024 it's actually closed, this lane. So we're not going to be stupid. Ryan says this is just like a bit of a link route basically from the main road, so we can go round and get to the other side of this lane. But yeah, obviously we're going to respect the councils and stuff like that. Don't want to do anything stupid, so we'll continue and we'll do the next bit of the laning. But yeah, it's definitely a wet one today. First time off-roading, Matt, what are you saying?
Not bad, is it?
Question is, are you going to off-road your Touareg? Yeah.
Why not?
Touareg the world.
Yeah, let's shut that.
Right, Colin McRae. Visibility is pretty poor up here. Just about to see Touareg in the distance. There you go. So just while we're taking in the spectacular views of fog, it just got me thinking, like, what other cars can you get for, I don't know, the Cayenne behind's probably £3,000–4,000. I get £6,000–7,000 for this one, and the older Touareg in front, I don't know, maybe £4,000–5,000. What other cars can you actually get for that money that come with leather heated seats, leather steering wheel, just generally nice day-to-day cars, and then on a weekend come into stuff like this? So I don't know, I don't think there's much out there that can tick all the boxes like the Touaregs can and the Cayennes. But if you think there's another suitable car to this sort of stuff, comment below, let us know what your vehicle of choice would be. Obviously I'm pretty sure there'll be a few Land Rover owners comment in the description.
Ah, but for a Land Rover, 4–5,000 quid.
Yeah, you're getting a
rough
box.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think to use every day as a nice daily car, and then come on a weekend with your kids, with your family, whatever, and just enjoy some nice scenic lanes. I mean, like I said, we're not getting many scenes today other than the fog, but still it's a nice day out, something to do on the weekend. Yeah, not too technical either. I reckon you could do this in a standard Touareg on standard road tyres, but
I bet you start slipping out.
Still have as much fun. So yeah, let us know, what car would you choose for this little outing? Fog is clearing up now, but what looks quite weird, it looks like small for a film, but there's like a little slither of sun just lighting up. I'm not sure what town or city it is over there, but it looks like the promised land.
We don't even know where we are.
I've no
There's
idea.
a bit over here as well.
But literally it looks like that is the magical kingdom. Finally get to enjoy some of the views, which is nice. So we've done the scenic routes, looks like we're going into some woodland now. See what this is like. A little bit more muddy up here. Not like the cars weren't dirty enough anyway.
how far we can get in normal driving. I'm going to put a window up here because this is going to start flicking.
Off-road.
He didn't do it.
It's a big rock. So that's a wrap for today. It's one way to get your car nice and dirty on a Saturday. But we've just come into a small little village. I'm not actually sure where we are, but apparently there's a nice restaurant here, or a pub that does good food. So we're gonna have a bit of snap and then head home. So thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. What you all got right?
Hot shot farm, or it's a northern thing.